Hi guys! Hello, hello! I was editing all my video proposal and wedding videos. It takes forever to edit, to put some, put it together because it's in different folders and it's not easy to do it on the phone. So now, while I'm doing editing, I'm cooking the peanuts. Here you go guys. Diba? So, peanuts kayo dyan. So, boiled peanuts is the best one. It's very healthy with partner black coffee. Good for the heart, good for the brain. That's why this is my lunch or maybe snacks. I haven't eaten my lunch because I just finished my breakfast at 2 o'clock. So, my breakfast is 2 o'clock and now it's 3 o'clock. So later I'm gonna eat this. There is banana saba from the Philippines. And I'm cooking the chicken pit adobo because I'm the only one who gonna eat it. And I'm gonna cook next the salmon head for sinigang with malunggay and okra. Diba guys? Ayan o, yummy yummy! Ang sarap! At ayun pa ang aking favorite salmon head sinigang. Ayan, oh, yummy, yummy. Nagkasabaw. Oh, di ba? Sarap! Let's eat! Bon appetit! Woo! Here you go! My chicken pit adobo on coconut milk. And may sinigang na walang tubig, but nagkasabaw pa din siya. Look at that guys, oh. Sinigang na walang tubig. Nahuli kong ilagay ang kamatis, pero okay pa rin kasi dinurog ko yung kamatis. So ayan na, luto na. Ready for lapangan na. My chicken feet adobo. The coconut milk become oil. It's so yummy. Oh my God. Lampas ang kain ko nito. Here you go guys, after I think from 5 p.m. just doing this until 1:40 a.m. So at least I finished everything. So I did also gift wrap extra 6 pieces just in case. And yeah, all of those in here more. It's not gonna fit in this bag, so I might gonna put this in a big box. So yeah, ready. It's ready already for December 6. Yan. Some I put inside because it doesn't stick like this one. It's like falling off. So, ang gaganda nila. Ooh, kahit ako tuwan-tuwa ako dito, nagagandahan ako ng husto. Diba? So, it's ready. Bumababa ang aking eyeglasses. O, diba guys? Ready na siya sa December 6.